Now I am reviewing the Samsung Galaxy A34. The display of this smartphone is 6.6-inch Super AMOLED and the refresh rate of the display of this smartphone is 120 Hz. The screen to body ratio of the display of this smartphone is 84.9%. Now I am telling about the resolution of the display of this smartphone 1080p into 2340 pixel. The PPI density of the display of this smartphone is 390. Now I am telling about the operating system of this smartphone Android 13 One UI 5.1. The chipset of this smartphone is mediatek MT6877V Dimensity 1080p into 6nm. The CPU octa-core in the GPU Mali G68MC4. Now I am telling about the memory of this smartphone card slot to micro SD user SIM slot. But the internal memory are available of different type. And the RAM is also available of different type of this smartphone. The main camera are triple camera of this smartphone. The feature of the main camera LED flash panorama and HDR. The video of the main camera of this smartphone 4K into 30 fps, 1080p into 30 and 60 fps, 720p into 480 fps. The selfie camera of this smartphone is a single camera. The video of the selfie camera of this smartphone 4K into 30 fps, 1080p into 30 fps. The sound of this smartphone low speaker is available with the stereo speaker, and the 3.5mm jack is not available of this smartphone. The Wi-Fi of this smartphone Wi-Fi 802.11 dual band Wi-Fi direct. The Bluetooth of this smartphone 5.3 to DPLE. NFC is available, but the FM radio is not available of this smartphone. The charging port of this smartphone is USB Type-C 2.0 OTG. The battery of this smartphone is 5000 non-removable. The charging wire of this smartphone is 25W. There are a different module are available of this smartphone. The 5G technology are available of this smartphone. The single SIM or hybrid dual SIM slot is available of this smartphone. Dust water resistance of this smartphone IP68 up to 1.5 minutes for 30 minutes. The line date was announced of this smartphone 14 March 2023. There are a different price are available of this smartphone. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget subscribe our channel, like and share the video. If watching more video about smartphone and tablets, so please check the description. Or any question about smartphone and tablets, so please leave the comment and I will try to reply.